Yo, so good morning world. Today is August 21st, 2017, and as you know, if you live in America, today is the big solar eclipse. Dum 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 dum. So we finna learn about the solar eclipse. By the end of this video, you will know about Hey, free go, man. Let's get straight to the biz. What it do, man? Did y'all miss me? I am Eric Wolf. What I like to do is I like to learn. I like to expand my mind. That's a part of who I am. Therefore, I'm gonna share that with y'all. So today being 8/21/17, as you all know, unless you live under a rock somewhere, today is the solar eclipse. For those of y'all who don't know what that is, today that's what we're gonna find out. Our goal today is to learn what is a solar eclipse, how often can one occur, how long do they last, how come we can't look directly at the solar eclipse, and what to expect and how it will all affect us. Alright, so the first video we have right here, this guy explains why the solar eclipse will blow your mind. Dum dum dum. Let's see.
You know why we have eclipses?
Oh, sure, it's good. Well,
You don't have to say another word.
this is the Earth and the Moon to scale. If the Earth were this big, the Moon would be this big and this far apart.
Wow.
The Sun is 400 times the size of the Moon, but it's also 400 times further away. That trick of perspective is why they look the same size in the sky, and why during a total eclipse, the Moon covers the Sun perfectly.
We have a moon that's just the right size and the right distance away to very neatly block out the sun.
If the Moon orbited on the same plane as the Earth and Sun, eclipses would happen once a month. But the Moon orbits on a tilt.
It's tipped. It's a little more than 5 degrees.
Because of this tilt, it lines up with the Sun very rarely.
It's only when the three bodies are in a straight line that an eclipse can occur.
Okay, boom. An eclipse is when the three bodies are perfectly aligned with each other. Sun, 400 times larger than the Moon, 400 times further than the Moon, and that's why it's a perfect eclipse. Let's see, how often does a solar eclipse happen? Most calendar years have 2 solar eclipses. The maximum number of solar eclipses that can take place in the same year is 5, but this is rare. According to NASA calculations, only 25 years out of the past 5,000 have had 5 solar eclipses in 1 year. The last time this happened was in 1935, and the next time will be in 2206. This version of me will not be here in 2206. You wouldn't even see 5 if you was in the same spot anyway, but that's how many occur. The totality, which is the real reason we want to see it, the total darkness, it'll be about a 2-minute window. Where I am, for where you are, it may be different. Like for instance, in Casper, Wyoming, totality would be, it's still 2 minutes, but I thought it was 3. But it's 2 minutes and some change. 2 minutes, like 15 seconds. Yeah, so it approximately lasts about 2 minutes long. Yeah, I had to go do some more fact checking. So far we got, what is the solar eclipse? We got that down pat. How long does it last? We got that down pat. How come we can't look at it with the naked eye? How come we can't look directly at the solar eclipse? Never look directly at the sun, eclipse or otherwise. The sun's UV radiation can burn the retinas in your eyes and cause permanent damage or even blindness. To watch a solar eclipse safely, wear protective eclipse glasses or project an image of the eclipsed sun using a pinhole projector. So we can't stare at it because the UV radiation will burn the retinas in our eyes and cause permanent damage or even blindness. Just like any other time when the sun is out, you're not supposed to look at it. So today ain't no different. Don't look at the sun. The safest way to view an eclipse through a pinhole projector. If you don't have the glasses, look that up. I got the glasses, so I got the juice. I'm gonna be looking at the whole thing. We got that down pack. And then I found this video. Where is it? It shows what will happen if you try to film the solar eclipse with your camera. So let's check this out.
So with the eclipse coming up, there's a lot of hype around it. And I just know some people are going to try and photograph it without using the right solar filter. So today we're going to find out what can happen.
I didn't even know shit about no solar filters.
Now it's super important not to put your eye in the eyepiece, because you can see here, like, it's already focusing, and you're gonna see that this is gonna melt
Yeah, like
plastic
when
or
they
whatever,
melt the
and you don't
ants and
want it
stuff.
melting your retinas.
That makes sense, dude. I'm telling you. I didn't think of
So
that.
now I'm gonna do a 6-second shutter. Just see what it does to the sensor. It's probably just burning the sensor right now.
I thought I could hear it sizzling, but I didn't hear it.
Let's take a look.
Ding.
If you didn't catch that, it was smoking when it came off.
That's not good.
Oh yeah,
I'm not
here
putting my
you
baby in
flip
that
up all
shit.
the way now, and you can smell the plastic burning. So this is what happens with the shutter closed. If you even just try and point your camera with the lens up at the sun, this thing is like totally just melting.
Good thing I ain't never tried to shoot the sun, man.
The moral of the story is, if you don't have the right filters and you're not a professional, don't try and shoot the Eclipse. Just enjoy it with friends and family.
Yeah, so if you planned on shooting the Eclipse with your camera, I don't think that's a wise idea. I'm gonna have to figure out an alternative. I'll probably just film this around it so you can see it moving.
It's because of how it will make you feel.
Right now, Bill, it's daytime out here, but in a few seconds it's going to go from daytime to nighttime.
There are thousands of people here. We're just a
In a
few
matter of
minutes away
seconds.
from totality.
It's a strange, eerie light out here, and the horizon is beginning to darken right now.
Look at that.
It's amazing how the temperature has dropped in the past few minutes.
Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Look at the way the shadows sweeping over and look in the sky.
Coming right over us like a storm. Look at this.
Stars are coming out.
Dang.
Look at that, man.
That's
During a total
crazy.
solar eclipse, you can sense this distance in the sky.
This kind of an event puts you in touch with the cosmos. You can feel the motions of the heavenly bodies.
You can feel how
Yo, I can't
vast
wait.
our solar system really is.
I can't even
This has to be
lie.
one of the coolest things I've ever seen.
Probably pretty lit. The horizon during totality will cause colors of sunset and sunrise in 360 degrees. So completely around, you'll see sunrise and you'll see sunset at the same time. That's pretty dope. That's like, that could be romantic, magical, mesmerizing. Stars and planets will be revealed in the sky. So once it gets dark, if you live in rural areas, you're already familiar with this. I stay in this rural area where at nighttime I can see the stars. I can see the Big Dipper, the Little Dipper, etc. So when the sun is eclipsed by the moon, I'll be able to see the sky again. And they say I should be able to see Mercury, which is usually hard to see at night. So that's gonna be pretty interesting to get a chance to just gaze at like the stars, which is, it's just crazy to think about it. Like, it's already there, but you just can't see it right now. Light pollution from automatic lights that come on at night. So you probably won't see the stars if you stay close to like a, let's say a stadium that's on generators, like a football stadium. You know, street lights showing up is gonna make it harder to see the light at the end because that's pollution. So yeah, it might be harder for you to see that. There will be shadow bands. Shadow bands are thin wavy lines alternating between dark and light that can be seen moving and undulating in parallel or plane covered surfaces immediately before and after a total solar eclipse. I have pulled up one of these videos of the shadow bands. Let's check it out. You can kind of see like these little lines just like moving past. It reminds me of that Heard 'Em Say music video by Kanye West where you can see like the drawings moving, and it just makes you wonder like, what is it? Like, what are those? From my perspective, the way I see things, this is a pretty dope video of the shadow bands. It looks like a bunch of like spirits just like rushing through a portal. Honestly, I ain't even gonna lie to you. Or it looks like a blanket in the wind. That's pretty tight. Alright, so I'm finna wrap up this video. This video is way too long. I gotta do a lot of chopping up already. Thank you for watching the Study Tube. This is the Study Tube on the solar eclipse happening today, August 21st, 2017. Shout out to the Red Pill gang. Here we spew the truth. Thanks for popping the red pill. Hey, freak go, man. Let's get straight to the biz. Hit the like button, notifications, and all that good shit like all the other YouTubers say, and subscribe to your boy. But for real though, comment below what you expect.